Hello students, good morning. In this video, we are going to study the chemical reactions of benzene, specially addition reaction. Okay. So, aromatic compound, especially resonance structure of the benzene and delocalization of 6pi electron in the benzene, there is a benzene or aromatic compound, they do not shows the addition reaction. But they shows the addition reaction in the drastic condition. Okay, and there are the 3 addition reaction in our syllabus. One is action of chlorination in presence of UV rays. There is second one, that is the hydrogenation in presence of nickel catalyst at high temperature, and third one, that is the most important and beautiful reaction, that is the ozonolysis of benzene. Okay, so we are going to start first, that is the chlorination of benzene. Here, chlorination of benzene, benzene C6H6, and this is the red structure. Okay, means this is calculus structure of benzene, each corner containing CH plus here Cl2, Cl2 in presence of UV rays. Okay, now this 6C, this double bond, 3 double bond, these are converted into single bonds, and 6 chloride atoms, these 6 here, they are bonded to each carbon atom on a benzene, and 2 form benzene hexachloride. So in this way, C, here again C, and C. One hydrogen atom present on each carbon atom. Okay. Now here, because of the alternate double bond, 3 double bond, there are the 3 alternate double bond, because of delocalization of 6pi electron. Here these 3 double bond, they get converted into single bond, and one vacancies which is left on each carbon atom, and this 6 here bonded to 6 carbon, and 2 form here benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride, it is called as BHC, benzene hexachloride. That gamma isomer of benzene hexachloride is called as gamadane. Okay, or it is also called as lindane, gamexane. It is also called as gamexane. That is gamma isomer of this benzene hexachloride is called as gamexane, or it is called as lindane. Okay, and this is used as a insecticides. Okay, benzene hexachloride or BHC powder. It is also called in public clay or publics, they are called as the BHC powder. Okay, and this BHC powder, it is nothing but the gamma isomer of this benzene hexachloride, and that is called as the gamexane, or it is also called as lindane. Okay, next one, that is action of, this is the chlorination. Then here hydrogenation of a benzene. Hydrogenation of a benzene. So again here benzene, double bond. Okay, and each carbon atom contain one hydrogen atom plus thrice H2 in presence of nickel catalyst, Raney nickel, at 453 to 473 Kelvin. Okay, now here again this double bond gets converted into single bond, and 2 form here cyclohexane. Means one hydrogen atom combine these two form here. So here C, again C, and C. Okay, one hydrogen atom present initially. Okay, and this 6 hydrogen atom combined in this way. and which can be represented as in this way. Okay, so this is called as the cyclohexane. Okay, next one, that is ozonolysis. Third one, that is ozonolysis. So the ozonolysis of benzene, here benzene, double bond, here double bond, and here also double bond. As there are 3 double bond, okay, 3 double bond in the benzene, which is suggested by the Kekulé structure. So here thrice O3. This is ozonolysis. Ozonolysis of benzene. Okay. So here we get here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 6 carbon atom there are the alternate double bond. And as there are the 3 double bond, these double bonds they are open in this way. And 3 oxygen atom from 1 ozone molecule they get combined between these 2 double bond. Okay. So in this way they are bonded. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and again here single bond. Between these 3 positions there are the double bond suggested by Kekulé. Now here there are the 3 ozone molecules. So here one hydrogen atom present initially on this carbon in this way. Now here one ozone molecule add in this way. Next one here, and next one again in this way. Okay, so this is called as benzene triozonide. Benzene triozonide. This benzene triozonide, it is decomposed with Zn. So what happened here? Here this in this way it is break. And to form here thrice HC double bond O, HC double bond O, single bond, again HC double bond O. So here CHO single bond CHO, 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 again CHO, this CHO, then again CHO single bond CHO, and this 3O combined with 3 H2O to form here thrice H2O2, and this is called as glyoxal. It is called as glyoxal. Glyoxal is also called as ethane dial. Ethane dial. Because of 2 carbon atom ethane, there are the 2 aldehyde group, therefore it is called as ethane dial. Okay. So the after watching this video, here attempt the following questions. First question, write chemical reactions of benzene. 1. Halogenation, especially chlorination. B. Ozonolysis. C. Hydrogenation. First. Second, what is linden? What are uses of yielding. Okay. Next, third one. Write IUPAC name of glyoxal. IUPAC name of glyoxal.